Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a random video. Like, I was not expecting to do this, but I decided to pick up my camera and talk to you guys. So in case you see my hands moving, my hands are not steady because I'm actually using my hands to hold my camera. Please bear with me as this is going to be a quick video, and thank you. What are your 2023 natural hair goals? You heard me right? So a lot of people want to have long hair. Yes, we desire it, and when we see people with long hair, we love it, we admire it. But what are the goals that you're setting for yourself for this year? So probably last year 2022, you had so much to do, you could not do what you want to do for your hair, for your natural hair. This year is another year. Just like we always set goals for our life goals, career goals, job goals, and spiritual goals, and every other thing in our lives. So also, if you desire something, it doesn't matter what that thing is. As long as you desire it, you should be able to set goals for it. So what are your 2023 hair goals? If you want it, you have to work for it. You don't just dream it and it comes out overnight. No, there is much work to be done in it. And sometimes you might set goals for something and it doesn't turn out the way you desire it to be. That does not mean that you should relent on that thing. It only means that you should work twice harder than you did before. So natural hair goals is something that we always talk about, but at the end of the day, there are only a few people who always achieve their hair goals. So I for one, I wanted length last year, and by God's grace, even despite my setbacks, which I'm going to be discussing in another video, I still got the length that I set for myself last year. But this year I'm really going to be focusing much on the health of my hair than length. So everybody, we each have our own goals that we want to achieve. For some people, they want to achieve length. For some people, they want to achieve thickness. For some people, they want to achieve health over length. It depends on what you actually want to achieve, so you focus on that area. So if yours is length, then you have to work more on learning practical ways on how to retain your length. So as your hair is growing, you work more on preserving the ends of your hair so that you can be able to retain those length that is coming out of your hair. Then if yours is thickness, then you have to work on products that are going to help you to thicken your hair, and also how to prevent your hair from shedding unnecessarily, because once your hair sheds unnecessarily, your hair becomes lighter and not fuller. So if you really want your hair to be fuller, thicker, you have to work more on preserving your hair strands from falling out unnecessarily. So it's normal for your hair to shed, but you want to keep it on the low side so that you don't end up with a sparse hair. You understand what I'm trying to say? So if yours is health over length, then you want to focus on your diet, what you eat, what you take into your body systems, how you hydrate yourself, how you take care of your body internally, so that what is coming out of your scalp is going to be healthy. And then also, you don't forget about the products you use, what you use to preserve your hair as it's coming out from your scalp. So there are different hair goals and how to probably go about it. Just make your research, follow people who have the kind of hair that you want to have. So it's not a crime, it's not a sin to desire something that is good, something that is healthy, something that makes you happy, but then you have to make up your mind that you're going to work towards it. So if it means following those natural hair YouTubers or bloggers that are focused on healthy hair or long hair or thickness, and you've seen their own journey, that it has worked for them, but you keep in mind that your hair's texture and theirs are not the same. So as you're trying to follow their hair journey, right? But you have to make sure that you do what works for your own hair texture. So I'm going to say this again. You're trying to follow their hair journey, they're probably trying to follow their routine, but make sure that you're following their routine and also keeping in check what is actually good for your hair. So if somebody is washing their hair, for example, washing their hair twice a week, you have to see if it works for you. That means checking to see if washing your hair twice a week is going to benefit you or is going to cause your hair to be dry. So you can look out for ways to take care of your hair from other people, but at the same time put your own hair texture, hair type, hair porosity into consideration before fully adopting what someone else is doing. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you don't follow everything somebody says. Try to put your own hair, nature into consideration before doing what other people are doing. So this is just what I decided to share with you guys. Make your 2023 goals and see what you can achieve, because if you really want a long hair, you can get it. It's not magic. It's going to take time. The speed at which you see your result might not be the same for someone else. So just be patient, be prayerful. Like I always say, pray for your hair goals. This is not to say that your hair is the only goal you should have this year. No, there are other goals to achieve, of course, your career, your business, your life, your spiritual life and all that. But for your hair's goals, as far as you God has given you a beautiful natural hair, you should dream big for it. You should think good, positive thoughts towards your natural hair, and trust me, you're going to see results. So right now my hair is in the protective style. So in case you're wondering what I did to my hair, thank you guys for watching up to the end of this video. If you did actually watch to the end of this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching once again. This is not the usual way that I do my videos, but I hope you guys like it. If you do, please hit me in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.